There's something special about growing love in pots. Sun-loving favorites like agapanthus, petunias, and kalanchoe make it easy to create eye-catching, low-maintenance displays that bring life to your outdoor spaces. Agapanthus stands tall with its bold blooms in shades of blue, purple, or white. These hardy plants love full sun and well-draining soil. Just water when the soil feels dry and avoid overwatering to keep their roots happy. Their long-lasting flowers will add elegance to any patio or garden. Petunias are your go-to for a bold burst of color. Their trumpet-shaped flowers thrive in sunny spots with nutrient-rich soil. Take care to water them at the base to avoid getting the leaves and flowers wet, as damp foliage can lead to fungal diseases. And keep them blooming by deadheading spent flowers regularly. Then there's kalanchoe, the ultimate fuss-free plant. From the silvery kalanchoe pumila to the bold kalanchoe thyraciflora and the adorable panda plant kalanchoe tomentosa. With its fuzzy leaves that kids will love, these succulents are both hardy and versatile. For best results, use a well-draining mix of potting soil, palm peat, perlite, and silica sand, and a layer of decorative pebbles or gravel to complete the look. These water-wise beauties thrive in pots and bring effortless charm to any space. With these sun-loving plants, a little care goes a long way. Grow your love in pots with plants and more available at your local GCA Garden Centre. Visit lifeisagarden.co.za to find a GCA Garden Centre near you.